Alright, so today, we are not going to be playing any games. I just wanted to make a tutorial for some people who don't know how to make paper airplanes. It's pretty easy. So first, you've got to fold the corners simply like, see here. Then fold one corner like this. I'm depending on the camera right now. No, that's too uneven. You want it to be as even as you can make it. So you want to make it alright. Send some. Alright. So this should be good enough. It's not that good. You could cut this part off, but I'd rather you not. Because that may mess it up. Then you fold. See, you don't fold it this way. You fold it this way. Then there you go. You might hear some shooting in the background because I have a Roblox tab up. And yeah. But we're not going to be doing that. And then take the wings here. Wings are the easiest part. See. Hold it like that. Then all the way till it touches the bottom. See, that touches about the bottom. Then we are going to then we're going to fold the other. And there you go, paper airplane. Let's see. Just how this works. Check. It's not gonna work. Wait. Let's see. It's pretty bad. But it'll have to do. Alright, I hope you guys will learn how to make a paper airplane out of that. And here, oh, I forgot. You can make a little adjustments, like folding the ends. It will mess with how it goes a bit. Sometimes if you do it correctly, it'll go smooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you next time.